This program contains content that may not be suitable for viewers under the age of 18. Viewer discretion is advised.
Is ordering your stock from China, Turkey and Dubai stressing you so much? Is it taking you months and months for you to get your stock? Just 1, 2, 3 and trade like a boss you are. 1. Talk to Iryn Global Logistics on 0740 152 331. 2. Let us know whether it's sourcing or sending money to a supplier that you would want. 3. Enjoy our unmatched customer service. Trade like a boss with Iryn Global Logistics. Find us at Namubiru Street, BBC Building, room N412. Call us on +256 740 152 331 or +86 180 723 935 15 or +86 132 502 156 85 or visit our website on www.iryn-global-logistics.biz. Iryn Global Air Express Cargo. We move anything, anywhere.
Hi, this is Kasuku. You must be wondering, how did I get here? I'm here to tell you about Delta Cash. Basangwano anali ekizime kiriko Children's Clinic ku level 2 wogenda okubeera nga obasanga bagabaloni okuva ku million 2.5 paka ku million 5 naye bo bakugamba nti tebaagala chapa tebaagala sima ya kinno baagala logbook emmotoka yo sigala ogivuga kasitoka kasante eri mu manyago ng'oleeta logbook mu manyago ng'oleeta bank statement tulabe sente zo zitambula zitya ng'oleeta ne national ID kasita tumala bitunulamu bagamba nti wakati wa 2 and 12 hours sente zo obeera oziyina nga zigudde ku account ng'ogenda abasuubuzi mugamba Kasuku URA emisolo gitulemye okkiriyalinga ebintu babikwatidde China osobola okuba ng'oli eyo ng'ogamba nti waliyo ate akaana kankutte njagala ndyerooni nkatwale wa Dubai ng'omanyi nti zijja olina diiru z'ogamba essaawa olina kakola ki jangu wano enaalya ku Delta Cash osobola ogenda ne ku website yaabwe www.deltacash.ug nojulizaamu awo nga tozze wano byonna byonna n'obeera ng'obijjulizaamu awo ate akasente ne kasobola okubeera nga kakusanga ku akawunti yo gy'oli emunaavaawo era Kasuku toyambye eggwanga lino obeera mu bya kisiru kati mbaleetedde Delta Cash bwe munaagaana owulira ffe tunaabeerawo banyumyako nti mwaggwamu wabi si wabi
Ariya ruzungu kade kazo kutujikole sawa namba ruzungu.
Ruzungu tugenda muza
kujerera kutoka ntoko ndimbuzi nyepuno ndyepu.
Arabuhura babaddi abakyala.
Wale somuyomba nyembuto katonda ya chembuto genda weji waminge.
Oya baweereza buno bukeke obutini.
Singa babu mutwale bamusonse kamukamwa bwonna. Nawufulumiza mu nnyindo.
Sakibwa ina guno omugogwa Musa wayitista premium detergent.
Waliwo wanangali ebola yakasajja kasendi kalimba bannange. Sendi bannange.
Nantunula sibatunula maaso abantu batunula
gotula ku bale wali nosirikawo ku church ne tubeera nga tuyitawo ffe tuva kusaba tugoba stadi
ne pastor yakolinimu omulimu
naye buli omu munaye bw'alowooza alina ebituusi namugamba nti bina
ate pastor ayagala nyama bina pastor ayagala batakoli
olaba wannema mu buto kati kokaddiye kanneetege
yamwigiza n'emmotoka wamajjo noyinza okuyigiza omuwala emmotoka tekisoboka ye yatugamba mu tewali kyabaawo
tewali munaye incidentally tewali kyabaawo
teri mulenzi.
tewali mulenzi.
Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. Teri mulenzi. ayigiriza mukazi mmotoka n'ategatta.
Mune inspector Kenzo yali ankuba n'okunkuba oluyigwe nina abaana. Nina abaana egala kunkuba.
Yali akukuba kuyigiriza.
Ate nga njigiriza ate n'abankwa.
Ugambye bwawe. Bwani yakuyigiriza emmotoka?
Emmotoka azagenda mu driving school.
Ate byanyuma. Omwami oyo alina okuyigiriza emmotoka because it is a crash of egos. Yeah, biba binyuma nnyo. Egos ziba and that's the best way to test yourself.
And do you know
relationship, yes.
Don't have a patience with Jira.
Because jukira one the car gye muvuga erina bbeeyi mulimu obulamu bwammwe ate mukikola irigale. Because osobola kusomesa muntu on the road.
Yes, try tukola kiro nnyo.
Tolaba nakyo kiri.
Because
kati gundi eri emotion yonna n'egundi ebe bayindi. Kati atayo bwe binyuma kasita.
Munenze neunya n'okwewunya. I didn't know that Obana had
adrenaline ekivaamu.
Munekye byalimu ebyo. But I'm happy. Can you imagine saying I went out with him, saying I would be also among those.
No. Wajja n'omukisa.
Chomanya. Osanga kati gwali wali katuti.
Yes, senga.
Senga tensinze gwe chawo. Ngadi ku front page.
Anedda.
Zanyi bane mama wange yandi nvumye.
Kati wandibadde gwe director wa Salt. Kubanga eri jogga.
Mama wange anzikiriza.
Banange, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kasuku Live. Today we are sitting in for Kasuku. Bina yaga embukira kayali Eddy sota. Jeja mugize
obusagwa yogera bitono
Kasuku akomyeyo
bwadi kunetika omukazi ayenza kunetika eno sima ya big beach yateekayo
big and what short.
Yes.
So mna ile tubutuliddemu Dorina Sasira Nebina baby then tuli with a handsome ever handsome
Achali kale ever
Johnny ndeko zawa chimpiseko wa
ozanne byabiraba nga twayambala naye nga nera John Segawa alaba nga nera noonya oli owa Max
nga John Segawa noonya wa Max
yali alaba
nga bayangamba tokwatanga mu kizigo era ne banzika ddala ngamba John ayagala dark skinned women for real and I don't know why.
Because they are the most beautiful creatures on earth. Why? I'm an artist. When you look at a picture,
yes,
at once all of it nochimalayo bwotyo mulundi gumu oba tolabye ekifaananyi ekyo. Yeah, because when you look at something like brown, it is all kiweddeyo. Now look at Zari, that beautiful girl. Omutunulira bwoti aba aweddeyo talina depth. Naye Doreen bwe nkutunulira bwenti nenetegereza eriiso neridda nerikomawo ogenda odiscoveringa.
Atwaki watugamba abeeno tutawone tutatawaana. Wani tugambye abeeno tutatawaana kubeera kwisi.
Era nze mulayira.
Bina kwongeza kwa kwetega bya.
Wani tugambye timunaye abeeru musoke muddugale.
Nze mulayina yange nkyagala kuteeka mubeeru. You have to appreciate nature. So dark is so good. Yes.
Where are your dreads? Woman no stonda.
Dreads nzirina. Nali njawaziwa mutabani wange naye ate mutabani wange yayagala biri ebinene. Kati ate obwange bwali butini. Kati ngenda okukola ngenda zikola. I'm trying to create a museum.
Hey. This is also really good.
Yeah, I'm trying to create something where I can tell a story in pictures about me, myself. And yeah, because I think in the next 5 years, I want to retire from this, and I want to settle to my love, which is painting. So I create something like that. Because I want my legacy to stand. Because when I go away, nobody is going to do it for me. So the earlier I start it, the better.
So the dreads tugenda kuzigula.
Dojja ojazisanga mu John Segawa Arts Library.
But why don't you just sell it? I think there is money.
No, they are part of my story. tolaba bw'okimbuuziza now if I sell them I've sold my
We
story.
really wanted your hair.
Erya zaali nnungi naye ng'abasinga tebazaagala. Omanyi lwaki olunaku lwe naziggyako? When they attacked me ababbi. Kati ne bankuba wano ne nfuna kaate. So bwe ngenda mu ddwaliro. The first thing balina ozisalako. Okusobola okunnongoosa ekibundu kiri neŋŋaana. Because banswalayo bwo, they brought me there border. Now Ruth comes later. Like after now. Kati ne bamugamba mboyo omukulu tubadde twagala omukolako naye agaanye okusalako enviiri.
I didn't know the point of that.
Kati she comes to the bed n'agamba naye tugyeko akajanja tugezaako kukuyamba ate weefudde ow'ekitalo. What is enviiri and your health?
Yes.
Nemugamba omanyi wanyana va ku nviiri zange. Bwe mwagala kunzijanjaba muntwale mutwalire eddala.
Ng'enviiri kweziri.
Yes. So kakati ne bangamba kale katusaleko wali katona wali ekiwundu. Then I said yes. And then the nurse who was cutting my hair because it was full of blood. Now she was cutting my hair and dropping it in the dustbin in Wasula Kasasi. Nali musse. I was sick, but I would like.
You were in a lot of pain.
Yes, because, dreads is part of it becomes part of your life.
But how come they
No. Dread is spiritual. Dread is spiritual. It is like you nurture a baby. Era abantu abakola dread for the sake of dread. Bapuli, balcham. Kati bana abakola ebiwani ne bagenda batungamu ebiwuzi. That's not dread. Those are not dread. Dread are spiritual. Yes. Era ne boba nze bwe nazitandika okukola waliwo gaye eyo mu rasta ye yazinsibanga tanzikiriza muntu mulala kunkwata mu nviiri because akugamba nti n'omuntu omulala okumala gakukwata mu nviiri atwala spirit atwala omwoyo
ate bwe bate go kontana.
Doreen, you look at when you are with a woman, I mean with a man, and the way akwatako bwati mu nviiri, you lose. Yes, ne bwe bata omwagala olaba kati fe abasajja ekingana ogenda mu salon. Yes. You see? Olaba Bible, the story of Samson and spiritual. Hair is spiritual, becomes spiritual. So it becomes part of you. It becomes part of your body. Okay. Kati oli bwe yakasuka n'azisula eri abadrili abanga era nenzimutugisaamu and I got my kaveera nawadde nga zirimu omusaayi ne bazisuulamu ezo ze baasalako and then I said no munjusiza eddwaliro hospital. Kati ne bantwala ewa Dr. Kasirye
ow'abaana.
Dr. Kasirye wali ku my clinic. Kati there when Muzeyi comes kyasooka okuŋŋamba tindowooza John enviiri ezogenda zisalako. My father. Ate nga yali tazaagala. Kubanga by then awo nga ne mutabani wange ndowooza. No, yetanazandika zikuza. Ati agamba ezo tetuzaagala ezo enviiri. And then my mukulu wange father Tamali naye najja again the same statement. John omanyi toze enviiri ezo tugenda zisalako. So I sat naye olunaku ne luyitamu n'olwokubiri mu ddwaliro. Then I said omanyi I think it's time. Nengamba my lovely sister gwe nsinga okwagala nagabwa Madalena kwata vacancy. Ani I told you spiritual tomalaga nkwata mutwe. I called my darling sister and she was the only one supposed to cut my hair. Because my she can't take away my spirit. Even if you can't cut away my spirit, I stay with it because I know she's part of me, my sister.
Somebody who told me babasiba enviiri mu salon olina okubeera ng'olina bw'okyusa n'ogenda n'omulala n'akwatamu ogenda okulaba waliwo omu akwata mu mutwe endowooza oba spirit zammwe zibeera tezikontana kati ng'ofuna ebizibu
olaba abamu abagenda ne babasiba gy'atatera kusibira omutwe ne kutandika omulwansi n'abijjayo nabiki. Yes. So it is a lot. And then I cut my hair.
Do you believe in massages ez'omu mutwe?
Of course, any person has to do it, but you have to do it with somebody you.
Ate abagenda mu salon ne babakola.
Kyekyangobayo segenda mu saloon kubanga
nange singa wali ogenda
neekolera wano because abaana abato bakola ebintu by'otasobola kuteesa.
Singa yali akolera mu salon nandiyize ne ngamba ogenda mu eriwa wakiri lazima ne tukolako bwe tuti.
For real, because you're very particular, very picky.
Yeah. Me, I do this.
So, manyi ze background ile yetera kwasa kuteka ku comment. Omanyi oli mukambwe, you're unpredictable. Nenda uli onokola ku comment. Neba kuwandika kati tovanga yo defending. Ende bayo baleba mama mumuleke musajja watoto muvuma. Kati nali ngena ngasa kulaba yo meanwhile. Kati nabagenda I thought I would see you there.
Where?
Because you're
It was Kenzo, yes. So me, I was in my mind. I wanted to ask
Munyonyo, when they were launching the
Kenzo invited me.
So why didn't you come?
Beta called me. I don't believe in his cause. I love Kenzo as my good friend.
Yes.
But I don't believe in his cause.
But the cause is benefiting the industry. Like, would you benefiting?
Benefiting.
That's what he says. That's what he says.
How?
That's what he
Because they are going to
lovely buyagamba naye bwakola. Lovely. Your presence must be your presence must make a statement. Yes, like almost status your presence must make a statement. For example, bameka abakuyita tugeze kwanjula na biki birthday na biki naye osooka obuuzaamu mukolo gugenda kubeera gutya abantu kyabagenda okubeerayo na biki. Because now we live in a world of the simu, buli muntu alina simu, and any moment can be captured, and any moment can be shared. And so if that moment is shared we gye baakuyise tosobola kwewozaako nti bannange nze mukwano gwange yambise mu kabaga ako nze saategedde nti ebyo bagenda okukolerayo okitegere naye nga gwe bifaananyi byo byamaze dde okuyita, so you are part of it. Now with Kenzo and his Musevenism and NRMism, no, I don't.
Because I believe but at least you'll agree with me nti agezezaako, like I was happy nga ndaba offices ez'enjawulo up country edda nga abantu batwala butwazi bayimbi baawano ne babatwala naye ate kati ne bali abali mu other regions nabo at least they have an office to
it's political. It does not have a natural foundation.
So it's us making it political because
it's political because it shows a color. It shows the color.
So it does not add to the art industry at all?
In the long run, it will not. Because the foundation is built on sand, not stone.
And stones are more...
It's hard. It is not natural. Let me give you an example. When the true nature of endabika ya federation engeri gyeteekeddwa okubeeramu n'egyezimbibwamu eva ku grassroots. N'ogenda Mubende ngewaffe. Let me use Mubende because gyemanyi. Waliyo n'abayimbi ne baartists bangi bengezaako okuyambako. When you are starting such an organization, you go to the grassroots and teach them how to organize themselves first.
Okay.
okay, and the
Yes.
benefits of that organization first at the grassroots,
Yes.
right? So you travel from Mubende to Chenjojo, to Chegegwa, to Kabarore, to Kasese, to Mbarara, wherever, and through the country, Yonanojetorola. With those obubondo, and the purpose of organizing ourselves, and the purpose of art.
All right. Yes.
Okay? Why are you a musician? Why am I an actor, theater or film?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Why are you an entertainment journalist? Okay.
Yeah.
Kina kuva eri ng'okiyiga.
Okay.
Bwe baali batusomesa ffenna Doreen twatandikira mu nursery school.
Yes, nursery.
Era olaba nti abantu abatatandikira mu nursery school baafuna obuzibu through primary school because obwongo bw'omuntu bwe buti butambula.
Baba missing out on those
Yes.
biology.
And many a time abantu abali joining the art or music, they are those that are not gone through the proper systems of family and school. Their family, baba mu disturbed families, and they seek refuge or solace in this industry because they have that talent.
Disturbed families.
Okay. Nti olugero olw'abayimbi, olugero lwaffe abazannya bannazaalibwa mukazi mwavu nga sirina wadde ekikumi. We have seen the narrations. Bonna bwe bakola concert zaabwe babaleeta. Same script, same story, mama one. Yes, all of them, the big artists. So they did not go through the proper channels of life. The family values and the school, what they teach us from the proper schools. So they just come in the industry and they are stars all of a sudden. And they have money all of a sudden. And they have relationships all of a sudden. And they have kids all of a sudden. You don't know how to go about every situation because you have not been exposed to that situation.
I'm getting your
Right?
point. But in the long run.
That's why you see broken in society bwetu weri abantu tebabuuza, abantu bavumagana, abantu bawemula, abantu baleekaana, tebalina njogera, bali abaswankula. They've not done no manners because of that kind of.
Broken background.
So if it were like I've explained, you see better people. Nti bw'osanga abantu nga bava proper channels, amas families, amasomero, they are better.
True.
Ningedde baconducting them.
Yeah.
Now.
Loud and great when I should smile. I'm broke to the world and the hands on the
Kuwakerere straight to wamba kukabala zake tuwera tuteka wembera
Coffee Spirit yeka Simba Jini n'aboggola nanti swaga mukyenda tulaga masavu merere
Coffee Spirit, Simba Jini, check under the cup, SMS the code, wangula ebirabo,
tulaga amaanyi kalukasita bwabuuza
masavu maji
Bikole Masavu ne Premier Distilleries. Simply buy Coffee Spirit or Simba Gin from a Duka or Kafunda near you. Check under the cap, send the code to 6688 and stand a chance to win borders, tuk-tuks, cash, airtime, flat screens, mobile phones and a grand prize of 50 million Uganda shillings. Lero Premier Distilleries because they Masavu. This promotion is brought to you by Premier Distilleries Limited and is valid for a limited time only. Terms and conditions apply. Alcohol is not for sale to persons under 18. Please drink responsibly.
Back to the Chituliko.
Yes.
Behavior and whatever. Now to deku financial literacy. Because now it involves money. It involves in money.
Yes.
Kubanga mwami Museveni yali adayogera agambye taziba wa Vicent. Aziba wa beekulakulanye.
Abayimbi.
Yes. But money.
This time ayagala ziba wa mulundi gumu.
Thank you so much. Money, you must know how to use money.
Very true. Very true.
Yes, because it has a language. It also speaks.
And behavior.
And
How you behave when you have money. You see, because they have not been exposed to money, you need to see how they behave with money.
You get excited.
Get excited. You have seen people throwing money. Because they don't know the purpose of money and they have been exposed. They have not been exposed to the values of money. You do not throw. I've not. Okay, so financial literacy mu arts oyina gitandikira eri busemina ne buva eri ababasomesa ne bajja nga basomesa ba artist on the purpose of and they did not tosgenda kusomesa mutundwe nze nkikujja emubende nkikujja eri wansi naye kati gwe bano basomeseza waggulu when the thing has already established. Yes, nkugambye grassroots ogende ng'okirinnya ate okiwe ne period okiwe ne period of 3 to 4 to 5 to grow. Kugamba n'abantu abo bennyini b'ozze ng'oyamba mubeeremu ne office egenda ng'ebalondoola ng'ebayamba ng'ebazza. Right? Somebody will say mbunze ndi mu FM Bende federation empadde $1.5 million kansasuleko wa studio nkubeyo akayimba $7,500 ye ng'alowooza because all creatives buli muntu yenna ayiya kyawandiika alowooza kyekisinga kyawandiika agamba hiiti kamala kufuluma mu studio omukulu yatukoze ekyo bale naye gwe otaddemu emitwalo gyo 7 ku ssente ze baakuwadde $1.5 and you must promote that song for it to be a hit for the produce for the public mbaleses of this world the writer the promoters to come and pick that song ne batandika okutambuza
that is all money.
Yes, that's all money. Ogenda ozituukako and that is if and when that song is a hit.
It's a hit. Very important to note.
Okay, but are you sure of the journey? Kenzo yakuwadde miliyoni za gavumenti emu n'ekitundu
ng'ate oyina
ozzizaayo gwe n'ozitwala mu studio n'okuba akayimba nkulowooza that's the way forward. Okay? Yet it does not work that way. In the arts and the economy of Uganda will not allow you to do that.
True. The economy of Uganda will not allow you.
Yes.
And the economy is
more light.
The economy of Uganda will not allow you to do that because arts we do not have where to sell. True. The market we are selling to is very limited. And uneducated. Yes.
By the way, I noticed to appreciating the arts.
Yes. Let me give you an example.
There is an improvement.
There is nothing.
There is an improvement all over. There is an improvement, at least compared to then. Nti kati olaba nti ne gundi ani like TV stations ez'enjawulo. They are promoting art n'abamu babasasula.
Damu, on a statement you wasn't compared to then, and I want to take you to then. You were here, Bina.
Yes,
the arts of then.
Nga tusasulira kugambe kati njogera ku acting and drama nachi nga tubasangeyo nga mu National Theatre naye nga we don't see you duli nga tu choosing maybe films.
Let me help you out. Then you had Eagles production. You had Cream production.
Out of
you had Diamonds Ensemble.
Yes, Diamond.
All of them. Every weekend they have a program.
Yes, and then we would go down there.
The whole of Uganda, all Buganda region. Abagenzi Masaka abagenzi. Abakutola Ejjinja abagenzi, abakutola Embedde abagenzi, nga bonna abagenzi bakola nga basobola.
Ne Ebonies.
Everybody, ne Ebonies, naffe.
Naye nga ate babawanga airtime ku TV. Yes, kati tugende eno. Okay.
So the market, the market eyali egula ebintu ebyo, yatambula. Oba ontegeera.
Market yatambula.
Akatale akaliwo olwaleero abavubuka be bali mu katale.
Okay. The world is evolving.
The world is running fast. Abavubuka be basinga obungi. They are not educated to the purpose of their lives. They do not have the money to come and purchase your commodity.
They don't have the money.
They do not have the patience to come and sit in a theatre play and listen to a play for 3 hours. They don't have the patience.
Boring.
Yes.
They
don't. Yes, they don't have that time. They have shifted.
Oh yeah, they have.
Okay. When Misach was singing a song about relationship, njagala nga bwendi ng'akugamba nti gwe bw'ona ogenda n'oyagala oli olw'okuba akulimbye alina kiri ne kavidiyo twakalaba padde yakazanya the late nga ayoza mmotoka naye ng'emmotoka z'ababoosi be zajjayo n'agenda n'ava ku ono Misach. So njagala nga bwendi okitegeera olwo oluyimba nga lulina message from beginning to the end. But today nobody is going to have time to listen to njagala nga bwendi. Baagalamu kinawolovu ontambulanga kinawolovu kinawolovu and they are singing kinawolovu kyokka teriyo.
Just to deviate your bit nti alien skin ayogera bwogezi bamwataki nagambye statement ne John Segawa asobola jogera music weno kama tomutegeera
era simutegeera naye gwe abaliwo gwe baagala
era wabambu ofulumya akayimba nga temuli kidongo
togayenga audience we moving zeawe kati nga bwe twali ku gundi basudde nga wadakiika 12 ojjukira then netumala ne tukyusamu ennyimba ne zitandika okubeera nga za ddakiika nkasatu nnya kati bw'oba ng'olaba audience eno tewali ngeri bagamba muno you find ways okubeera nga consumer.
No, you don't find ways in art. You consolidate your trade and let those who love that bit of you find you in your comfortable space.
Reason as to why.
Ojja kunzizayo nti space me ennyimba zange era zempuliza n'enkya ya leero zamuzesandi radio tewali mulenzi mupya wano mu Uganda yali awandiisa ennyimba mpya ze ngenda kuwulira okujjako eza radio. I'm telling you the truth. They cannot take away a radio's space from me. Yes, and that's how an artist. Yes. That is
is it lyrics nga ziri relatable
to you as a person.
Nga bogambe njagala nga bwendi Moses yayimbanga n'olaba ekimuli kyennyini.
Yes. Kafeero yagamba nti ye yatandika ng'ennyimba zinyumira ye and then the rest abaali bamwetoolodde ne baga akayimba mwakawulidde ako omulenzi oli mwakawulidde then ne kafuuka marketable. Alright? Oyimbira gwe. Oyimba gwe. Art is passion.
Yes, it is.
Art, me, I come from the background of musizi w'ekifaananyi. I do sculpting and I do painting. But I'm not comfortable human nenja nenkusiga ne pencil. Because when kusiga dorini ne pencil, a picture, a camera can do it. All right? But me, I have to go about the colors of the face. Nti face yo bwemanga ngendo gipaintinga. The colors I use zimpe the personality of Doreen muteke mu kifaananyi portrait.
So you prefer these art pieces where you have to think.
Thank you.
Omuyimbi
yenna bw'alina okukola, omuwandiisi w'ennyimba bw'alina okukola akatale ne kamusanga otogoba katale. Bw'onoogoba akatale ojja kutomera. Gwe kkiriza bakumanye nti nnyimba bwenti abakugula gye bali. Kabuye Sembogga bamugula gye bali tebafanga ne leero gye bali. Kino kiddamu ne nkyogera nti my son Kamlegera best way ye Maddox.
But
she's 25, 26. I mean, he is.
And also a Frigo band.
Yes. My little girl, Nagawa, into her mom's music. Era ziyimba ne ku ssomero yagenda aziyigiriza abaana ne bakuba bamuteeka mu controversy yazirimu ezimu okitegeera kikyonvuma biki but n'abinyumirwa bunyumirwa.
But even also Eddy Kenzo naye ayimba ne David Lutalo.
Unfortunately Lutalo muyimbi mulungi nnyo.
Kenzo tali
Kenzo wali
nakugambye wenti dhina
Kenzo wali
nti buli katale buli mulimba luyina amugula. When I was talking to Eddy one day, why I appreciate him as an artist, okay, Eddy si muyimbi. Eddy is an artist, whole package. When I met him twali ku studio ya Toromani yani Crouch yali producer wali erunguja ntunulira music we mu video we naliki buza ne Eddy, how do you do your music? Me I create music, I don't sing. I create.
Okay.
I create a situation. I create. Music wa Kenzo is a creation of something.
Yes.
It is unique.
Very unique.
Okay. Yes, he may fail someday, key levels or whatever, the beauty of the voice.
I know.
But it is unique. It is African.
It's his own.
It is his own. It is different.
So nobody can be.
Nobody can be Eddy Kenzo. Not at all.
Okay.
Look at the way. Try to call a show ya 10 years of Eddy Kenzo.
Yeah.
Nga tulina ka film kati alina okushootinga akasooka. Okay? Twali tushootingira nga tulina okushootingira ewa Chika Entebbe Road. Chika troupe alinayo ka beach cow. But Eddy I think yali asuze nga alina project gyakola. Shoot yali ya sawa nya 10 o'clock. We wait for Eddy 10 tajja 11.
Did he call?
We tried, but better nagamba he will come.
Yeah.
Then I like to achieve us. Midday. He comes. Ngabye namugambye costume na biki yabyerabidde.
Wow.
Okay? Nga Eddy otuse costume nagamba. Chikaliwa oyo guy wa Chika. Aina watungira bi costume ebya dancers we nabiki. Ebitengi ebyo nabiki. Nagamba nze muntwale mu watungira, I pick something. And then he goes, pick something nakisurako. And it became the costume of the show.
Wow, just like that.
Yeah, good about 10 years of Kenzo. Ekintu kye yezingira kyayingira nakyo.
Sicho chali.
No, it wasn't part of it. Costume zero uziraba bwamaliriza. Azyejjako bwati nasigala ku Eddy Kenzo oli. You need to go and watch the video. But that one.
Because I was at the 10 years of Eddy.
Yes, wakira biki nga ayambadde ne crown. Era kyatandikira. This is the costume. That is the costume.
So he has arts.
Everything is art about Eddy Kenzo. Look at the way he dresses.
Oh yes.
Eddy will not dress like the normal you. Era yandibadde akola ne fashion house. Because aina trend ye. Yes. Naye alina gy'owuninga tagiteeka muntu because bw'anaagiteekamu omuntu omulala. The fashion sense ye gy'alina omulala tagirina. He will lose it. Yes.
In his own way, true.
Yes. Yeah.
So kutegedde John, speaking of having value, yeah. Oba kuyita tulina kugenda anywhere. I saw you ate ne nnyo nga sikuwadde haaga nakola ku social media. I didn't know you had come.
When?
Iryn Namubiru.
Nange nakumisinga haga yo nagenda naye nga tendo.
Wamuwadde dda ogenda kuddamu.
Eri yaddala.
Nga saafunye.
Wambadde wala.
Segawa. It's okay. It's very okay.
Just a minute. Tumalize ensonga eri gyetuwabuddeko katono. Ya Janade Ngwamba from the grassroots.
Yes.
In the financial literacy. Abayimbi abasinga nkugambye nti bw'omuwa ssente talina kyagenda zikozesa nabyo. The best option is buli kintu kyonna kibeere nga kisobola. Nga kisobola. Nga kiri organic. Yes, kitya. Eddy kyalina okukola kati. Alina okukola secretariat.
Okay.
Tajirina?
Simanyi. Alina okukola secretariat. Employing professionals.
Okay.
To help manage both okugjayo sente za gavumenti nekyezibayambako. You get my point? Nti olina secretariat eyo ejja kukola ebyo byenkugambye grassroot egende ng'eyigiriza abaana biki. Kati ye Kenzo abeere ku board eno waggulu, kati aleke bano abadduse ebintu ate aleme kubeera better, just professionals to run it professionally. Nga basobola okugenda Arua, basobola okugenda e Karamoja, basobola manager we, basobola okugenda Mbende ne bakola ki, ne bafollowinga bina twamuwa ssente mmeka. Mu myezi 3 akoze eki. Dorini twamuwa ssente bwe ziti. Yes, twamuwa ssente bwe ziti. Bw'aba agenda ozikolamu oluyimba asooka agende wali mu committee kamu advice kamugambe oluyimba obwo n'olukola ne bwo oyinza obutagira. Oba gavumenti yatuwa studio ez'obwereere ya Dr. T wane ya Bebeku mu kifo ky'ogende, yes, yazifunding oba gye ziwa baziya be bamanyi. It's not my business. Right? It's not my business. So bagende bayimbe ekyo kibayambayambako okusobola okumanya nti after 2-3 years batuwe omuyimbi nti ono nga bw'olaba case studies z'abasako nti ono twamuwa n'entemu kati alina ente 6, oli twamuwa n'ekikolo ky'emmwanyi 5 kati alina ika. Naffe batujajingira bagambe nti ono omuyimbi twamuwa bwe tuti kati alina album oba mukwe yazimba kano oba something like that. Yes. Towa buwi muntu tuzijja kufa.
Naye kati nga bw'oyagala nnyo nga you're passionate about art, can't you just walk in there or even call Eddy? N'oyogera naye ng'omuntu. No more advice. Kati kyendaba, people that are good, ate bambi bali mu baleka.
No, the moment.
And then they see these things on social media.
The moment art takes on a color, I walk out. The moment Patrick becomes a noop MP
you walk out.
In Nachifuma,
that's color.
I walk out. That's color. What I do, I go on the nomination day of Patrick, and they nominate, and we go to the first rally as my brother. When it is done, I walk out. I don't go to the campaigns.
Okay.
Solo Kayemba is my brother.
Yes.
When he goes to Noop, we our collaboration with Solo stops at the gates here.
When he enters,
yes, we're business partners.
Okay.
When he walks out and he goes to Bukuma and Simbi, I am not part of him.
You don't even go to support?
No, I'm not part of Dr. Hildeman, but he's my brother.
It's your brother.
Robert Chagulanyi is my brother. Okay? But when he goes to the Noop and whatever, me, I stand.
Even Bebe Cool.
Of course, when he goes to the yellow thing. But in the evening, amazo kusula kasati kakachembu, netutuola ku Hennessy waffe netunywa, and as brothers. Of course, we sit.
But they're earning a living. Kat baba employing, like never government kolera yokale.
They have abused that. They have employed them and stayed. They have stayed. They have been part of. They are now part of the furniture. When you go home or you're a visitor, never quick a cup of tea, then you don't become the cup. You don't take the space of the cup in the drawer.
So for them, what they were supposed to do is go.
You can't work, be a professional and walk out. But they stayed. Now they are cadres. Okay, so I can't be a cadre. I am going to lose my profession as an artist. Side A, side B. I see the right and the wrong.
Maybe we'll bias at the end of the day. So
yeah, so me when I come out clean. When you get a qua yellow, when you get a qua red. That's my position. Yeah, because I'm an artist. Yes.
And then when who send the zoko acting?
To act your ideology? No.
I want to no acting yo.
Yeah. That's the problem I had with Ceasefire, the play we did, the Muzanyo Kato.
I remember.
Yes. Kato came here. Ngayagara made a part of it. Nemugamba I cannot, because it comes from the yellow side of the politics. But unfortunately Kato died before the project. And then I didn't go to that project. And then the backfire came. Mbokatobo yafa, ebintu binembireka, nesigendayo. So I went. When I went, they brought him Sevenomics that we are going to act this and the other. I said, not to me. Not. Yeah, I said, I will not do that.
Oh, so that's why the problem.
Yeah. So, yeah. And today I cannot act because the audience is so polarized. The yellows are in bed with their yellow and comfortable and believe it's the best. The red brigade, they believe. The white and purple, the green and whatever.
So you're waiting for them to get into these gaps?
I'm waiting for them, the drama to cease, and I will do a play after the drama.
Hey, against your friends?
Yes.
About your friends?
Yes, all of them. When the day is done in April.
I hope you'll be merciful.
I cannot.
He's never merciful. He tells it like it is.
I'm a writer. I'm a writer. You're a journalist. Like you do, tell it as it is on your radio show.
Yes,
when you're doing your journalism.
But mine takes a shorter time. Yours.
Oh, because
someone has to learn.
Yes. Drama.
Oh,
okay. I have a lot of drama to write.
Yeah, true.
I have a lot of drama to write about Chagulanyi, about I've done Namubiru, and I don't think I can do any more. About a play about Namubiru. I have enough in my books. If we are to do about Namubiru, we just go back and pick up our plays. A lot. The Golden Calabash, Zansanze, a lot of plays.
A lot, yes. I like.
So why did you honor that invite?
I didn't honor.
How come you decided to go there? You believe
Namubiru. Oh, yeah, Namubiru.
That's why I like. I saw you such a
no.
Namubiru.
One. Namubiru is my friend, I think, but not like
I understand.
Like we are close. Namubiru is the one artist, female, in Uganda. In Uganda, I rate highly. Is my best.
Timeless songs,
whatever, everything about Iryn. For me, she's the best musician, the best female.
I remember also Juliet said that she has her keynote.
She's that, and I'm telling you, if she had not had those family troubles,
she would be far.
Because she's troubled. When you're troubled mentally, you cannot write. That girl is top notch.
So I take as this belief of people who used, because I used to hear rumors, but I used to hear rumors, she's bitter, Mukambwe, she's not friendly. So now when I saw the book and I had read, then together the trauma, someone will know but they don't know where the pain is coming from.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So nze mbadde mu followinga from way ngali mu IJ. Jukira fe twakolera ku Batvala kumpi awo kati bensibuko yaabwe ya ku Sabrina. It is just a walk away. Kati nga bwe tuva ka Batvala nga tujja ewa Hope ba Juliana ba bonna abeera barakadi ujaba jam session obwabeeranga and they started the food and everything, so it was all about that life. Then homies ne bakola wado ka discotheque akali awo wansi nga ba messe mwe bakola ka vibration you see kati
abudani kokogera banje abalwayizo gamba ndi mukadde anyway it's the truth vibers
kati awe walinga obulamu bwa fefena abasinga ye credo of art yatandikira batuvalawe kati namgenda nga mu followinga akayimba bulungi na biki and when that story came out, Eddy nze abayimbi abange, because me I was battered mu mawulire so much, red paper na biki kati buli mu artist yenna gwe nalabanga mu mawulire nga ali battered nga nze nsooka okumutuukirira nga nkutuukirira ne nkukonsolinga ne mugamba it will be okay, toyomba nabo bagwagwa abo basiru tobaddamu don't create. Yes.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet because I know them. Banoonya kyakulya. They want to be where you are, but they cannot.
Yes.
Okay? Because it wasn't the time. Because there is always a time when people will say oli mutuufu. And there is always a time when people will say alimba. Tovangayo mu situation nga bagenda gamba oyo John alimba. Okay? Tovangayo. Kati byonna ebikuteekebwako bikirize. My life obulamu bwange bwonna ndeka nkubulira abantu bammanyi nnyo okusinga bwe neemanyi.
Ekigeza bye tulalabanga si bye.
Akugambye bamumanyi nnyo.
Many people will tell you about me and you see? But you let them. They leave you. They love a piece of you.
They wrote your script.
Yes. Nobody care.
So everything that they were writing was false.
Whatever they wrote, I don't know. For me, that doesn't encourage.
Every week.
Yes. You let them. You let them. Yes, because bayinza okuba ebimu bituufu ebimu nga sibi.
Naye abo bonna baali bangi tosobola kubanga babaagala.
Of course.
Tewandibadde ng'oliko ki?
Of course,
bakulaba
n'omuntu. That's fine. But you gwe tobeera na sister, tobeera
very good stories about you.
In tabloids.
The problem
yes, was unless you were among the most handsome men.
That's not a good story because that's not a story. That's not a story.
Because now for me, I grew up knowing the other side of John. Yet he was talented.
Yes.
Yes. Nenga they painted him as this person.
Yeah. Nobody will.
But they even promoted him.
You don't promote negative.
They damage you.
They damage you.
Yeah.
They damage your soul. They damage your
I've been there,
reputation.
They also destroyed me.
I lost a lot of friends because of that. How?
Yes, true.
That you can't go to a party, you can't go to a gathering, you can't go to, because the moment you go and meet your friend, aina ne mukyala we kyasoka yono no mukyala wange tomubba.
Oh no.
You know.
It was that
no,
bad.
okay.
That is terrible. You just have to walk out. Yono no mukyala wange nkwegaidde tomubba. So you become a nuisance in public, in society. You see? You can't go anywhere. You can't go to church. When you go to church, you are a nuisance to society. Nuisance. I used to go to Christ the King with my dreads, but the way they look at you, that unaona jana fenato egatako, you is condemned sin wherever you go.
That's what they also look at me in church. I was telling Dodo. They look at me and they're like,
you already condemned. So kat Iryn, yaita sobola kuvayo nga already condemned. Okay? And it had to take an appropriate time to come out. And what he did, because you cannot sit here with Bina and you tell your story. Okay? Now what she did, she went home and found somebody, Natula, Narwandi. Pain eggwayo kubanga gw'omanyi nti ekintu kyange nakiteeka mu public. Never giri wa myaka 10 somebody is going to the drawer askeyo asome kati sikyaddamu kwennyonnyolako namala yeetikkula omugugu we bbu n'agukuba wali buli kye mwagala okunjogerako kiikyo whether omuntu amazima gange mugatwala oba temugatwala that is it.
Okimanyi twali tetumumanyi
ani
kati ebintu ebimu nali sibimanyi nga ndaba birala naye nga nze namu acceptinga nga bwali.
No. I had to go and support my brother, my sister.
Yes.
I think your golden generation. Eddy.
As a parent.
Since you're a parent.
Tricky, since you're a parent. It's a bit tricky. Maybe you handle it because this generation, but John, like you said, very weird. Abana very disrespectful. Bana. Abena ku social media newe buza nogamba ayina emyaka emeka nga akuvuma.
Doreen.
Ogamba nakana.
I think parent okuweebwa ekitiibwa asooka kukyewa.
That's why they say respect is earned.
That's the basic. Thank you. That's the basic.
Okay.
Omuzadde oba tayagala kusobya asookeyo ekitiibwa.
Beautiful.
The moment bw'anaateewa ekitiibwa ajja kusobya in the eyes before the kids. Period. That's the simple thing. Wewe ekitiibwa mu maaso g'abaana. Be the parent, be the dad. Don't be the father, be the dad.
Kati olaba kati nga bwe bottlinga that pain naye waliwo we yali eraga okimanyi ekyo kale nga public yo temwagala naye ate abana abaali bali close to you. Don't you think Iryn also could have caused pain nabeera kati abaana bo banaakyuka? They say that omuntu abeera ng'alina pain esobola okugenda ku muntu omulala.
What I know, I'm a parent myself.
Yes.
Whatever, did you watch Animal Planet?
Yes.
You see how the mother animals nurture and protect. More harsh situations. You can go to the harshest. Arctic, Antarctic. Penguins. You see how they behave with their babies.
Like you go part of the winter where they protect.
You come to Africa, they harsh, you see how they nurture. A mother will. All right?
How
a
come
mother will know. We shall come there. A mother will know how to, all right? To protect. Okusobola, okumutaasa ye gye yayita. That's where I come from. Okusobola okutaasa omwana we gye yayita. Omwana wo ogezaako nnyo mu protectinga aleme kuyita mu lugendo gwe lwayitamu. Okay?
Yes.
Kati ate ye ekyamuyambako n'afuna omuzungu where the culture is
different.
Okay? Nga tasobola kudda mu ttooca ya maama afune obusajja obuganda obwemassako obutategeera kamuzze mu nnaku ya maama erifukamira fumba caayi ebinyeebwa kasooli n'agenda afuna environment eyo where gyayagala freedom which she lacked. And I think abaana abakuliza mu embeera. Nze nkunyonyodde byange. Nze nakula n'abaana abange nga nze mbatwala ku ssomero buli lunaku naye nga tuyita mu mawulire gajjudde ebifaananyi byaffe bakasanova naye ng'abaana mbalina nga mbaprotectinga nga bw'obagira bw'oti n'otuuka n'ogenda n'abaana awamu mugenze for swimming tocha gye babaddemu tokirabanga abaana bange they come nti ono yewandagire ono yewawanyi bannange kano nga kafaanana ndagire you get ndowooza y'ono
mu maaso g'abaana
nga wendi ono yewaani kati you see akati gwe ky'olina okukola you embrace. It is okay, it is well, it is well, it is well. Believe. Play about it.
Yep.
Right? Nti kakati nze omwana owange leero. Tutuula ku body room and we decide.
We talk.
Because if I did not make them my friends, they would get the picture that people have about me because that's what is read. And that's what the people have in school. All right? And when I took them to school, okay? Kati lwaki Shoni namujja mugano ge tuyita traditional schools. Namutwala Nagalama St. Joseph's. All right? Kakati nga bamuyita Segawa. Abasomesa ku school compound. That's an abuse also. Omwana omutu kamulegia tomutika badeni ya Segawa musomero eryo. Because Segawa ali portrayed wabweru as a nuisance. Casanova, whatever. Now, you don't go to school and call the guy Segawa. Because the kids will start calling him Mr. Casanova, Mr. Whatever, Mr. Chino.
Yes, that's why.
All right? So I pulled him out.
And you told him.
Hey, ne mutwala ekitende ewa mukulu mulindo nga nsuubira nti because waliyo abaana baba artist bangi abakusasira baali eyo ababaani gye bali ababaani Geoffrey Lutaaya nono bamugyeko olwogo olwo because baana baba stars bonna gye bali eyo better stars abatusinga ne John it became the norm again. Gwe Segawa biki? Nemujjayo nemutwala mu international school. Okay? And I said, from now on, I don't take them there.
Because you normally go and visit them.
Yeah. And now, Mariam, ye insisting and tamale tujja mutwala mwago tujja mutwala muga tradition. The same happened.
Yeah.
Omwana ne yeekyawa essomero nga buli taamu mwino buli mwaka mwino mukyusiza essomero. You see, you pass through a lot of that. So kati gwobeera owambaatira. So for me now, we sit. Daddy, I'm not going to go. Olaba njagala kutwala Poland. Poland, there is a film school in Warsaw. It is cheaper.
Yep.
Right? For 4 years, tusobola okubanga tusasudde emitwalo 3 na biki. Like, no, Daddy, Warsaw manyi yani. Poland gyontwala I don't. Nze noonya cheap na course. Yanoonya mikwano. Poland siinaayo. Nina omukwano gwange ali UK, England. Why don't you take me to England? All right? So ne mubeera mu conversation bwetyo ng'abantu abakulu. Right? Paka bw'onoomugusa ku nsonga eri n'agitegeera nti tunoonyeyo awali favorable naye nga kasente ffe tetukasobola. Yes, you are hobnobbing with the kids of the Toyotas of this world, you know those.
Yes.
Eh? Because those you go to school with. But we are not at the same financial levels.
Yes,
so if you had the rapport n'abaana abo, nga nzirayo kiri ekibuuzo ky'omuzadde tasobya. Senga if twali kwekyo, then twandibadde tufuna obutategeeragana. Kaweeka example ku muzadde tasobya again ku my kid. My father, Muzimbi. We have estates na biki ebyo. Amataka kuzimba. But in the family, tetulina muntu atute projects ezo.
Wow.
My father wanted me to go because I've had the name Isango mingi. Naka Johnny Amagezi, you go and do osomelo. You come back and help us. And then come back the name Isango, ejetaka na bichi. But you know, that's the So katinange nganchinecho. Papa, if you want somebody architecture, who can help us? Mzee yazimba akuba kubika papulao. But if you have our own, even to be structuring. Ebyaliwo ebibye ebikadde byazimba tugenda tumenya tuzimbe ebirala ebiri modern ebina standing a test of time.
Yes.
All right? So nagamba mu baana bolondamu omuntu agenda asoma ebintu ebyo. So I choose Trevor, bright guy, mathematics amukola bulungi, talk to Mariam. Omwana biki naye kyayagala konze let's talk to him. Tulabe abeere purposeful and family. So tukola process tufuna University Canada agenda asoma architecture 4 years na biki. And then the boy goes. 6 months down the road, Daddy calls. Daddy, no, I think I can't go on. This is not for me because there's too much reading. So makunja and I can't. And remember, tuina kusoma ate tuina nokola. Tuina nokola because na no kola yo ate nfune ya kasenta kange bikasera nabamba kubira mu mpereze yo sente. Namwe nabeera ku ebyo biki. Trevor, please. You are just 6 months. You just relax. Yeah, because it is a new country, new weather, mikwano mirala, na bichi. Kakanamu katono, we shall get there. Okay? Ne munyonyora, Daddy, namugambye muzeeyi, era amusanyufu nnyo, na bichi. 2 months down the road, the boy calls again. The papa, you know, chigani. Guru kuba daddy wo yali akola.
Nani kuhulire.
Ndiko kumpulira nze sina passion yabyo imposing it on me na bichi.
Grashto wabikola.
She says no, I'm done with that. She tells mama. Kamanyize bonna nga tujja kuyomba oba siddamu kwogera naye biki. So she talks to mama naye engeri gyalina okipackaginga mu gyagenda okigambamu omwana ati nampeerezaawo ka message naye tumuwulirize ng'omwana olweki na biki. So you see that's the journey. You process and you grow within. Tosigamba nti omuzadde alina kubeera nga bw'obeera ng'olinako omukyala kakati gwe omuzadde omusajja obeeramu omujaasi Kati ye maama n'akuyamba n'akolanga shock absorber. Kati ekizibu ky'aba single mothers, fathers, mothers, gye bamisinga mu parenthood mu kunakyalinga abaana.
Abaana ba single mothers.
Abatayinaako kiri. Yes. Abatakirina ekyo nti ekyokubeera omusajja ekigamba nti no.
Kati n'obeera ng'oli mujaasi ate nga gwe shock absorber.
Nagambako n'ekirala kati ne Kamulege. Another thing kati Trevor ye n'agenda n'adda mu music we gy'alina comfort. Agamba nti agenda asome music wange nkola ebyo. Passion ya maama we n'agitwala. Now this mukulu waabe Kamulege mu holiday ya senior 6 mukwata mutwale ewaffe mu kyalo tulina hotel Nakayima Hotel. Gezaako girongoosa it's an old one that was celebrating in 50 years recently. Now netukola holiday on vacation kati mzee ng'amulaba akola biki atanafa mzee n'agamba naye John lwaki oyo mwana tumuinspire nga n'asomera ddala ebintu bino within the confines of hotel management. Sobola okujja n'asitula ekintu kyonna akiwa a bigger picture. Nimugamba muzei huyo yogerako naye mukyalo. Muzei ngayogera naye ne mami ngayogera naye. And she looks like she was like fine. It's okay. Kati nga batugamba natudda tu consulting at the best schools is called culinary na biki management na biki. Kabatugamba India. It's the best school. Okay, you could take to Nairobi here, bali bagogo naye nga tayagala kubeera wano kumpi ajja tutawanya. Tumutwala India. Nga tuteekamu ssente simesita myaka egi nga tuzisasula ng'ali India, hostel tuzisasudde, aflying agenze nga muwadde namusaagala dde wanuwe. After ne simesita teyawera ndowooza oyo yamalayo ndowooza emyezi ena.
Ng'amaze okusasula?
Nga tumaze byonna. Emmere embi zirina Munnayuganda gwe ndaba olwa whites South Korea bensula nabo mu ruumu bannange tetulya nnyama tulya nkoko abayindi tebalya nnyama bannange gogo gikooye ne mugamba tojja kubikola ojja kubeera zo totuzunga tetulina ssente za muntu ze tugenda kwonoona wano wanyana ng'amuweereza ssente za tiketi
ng'akomawo.
A mother's heart. That's why they say we are too soft.
Ng'akomawo nga ye atwala.
Nga nkubira dadi jangu nkimekweya.
Gw'omanyi akyali.
Nga bambugamba nti yaganye, ngamba nti yaganye nabi. Kyanzira gwe yaganye ne muweereza ssente omwana lwaki tumubonyaabonya.
I think you have to let name come. That's a challenge, yes.
Comes back Chima, of course, as a parent, you go pick, but I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you when you get some sense. You'll come home and you sit down and then we talk. But for now, me and you, I'm done, I'm tired. Communication you will became tough all the way to Denver. So you go, you have toyagala kwogera na wa Uganda Kampala oyagala we Denver. Kati now your communication with the Denver madam one. Okay. And then ne muvako, but then we are shooting ebyaffe camera biki, and then he comes along natandika okulwaninga bwakwata kino bwakwata kino bwakwata kino nemuleka natandika okukola ku seti yaffe ne Kim natandika okukola ne Kim amulagira kino ngenda okulaba nga atandise okufuna passion y'ekyo mpola kati nga mutuuza one day amugamba lwaki tetukuzaayo ku ssomero osome ebyo kirabika by'oyagala. You go and study film and production. Are you comfortable with that? Oh, I'm so comfortable.
Are you sure?
Yeah. But tumutwala ungali comfortable. You see?
Oh.
Yeah, you know, you must understand. You must be a parent. Yeah. And now comfortable normally.
Very
comfortable working with NTV now.
Beautiful. So John, last question for me. Maybe another in China. In Jenkins nga tukola show. Namubuuza sinalaba marriage Jenkins kumalidde bango WhatsApp nangamba nagoberera wamu advise obadde nze
Kisiru tekitege. Nganda mu advising.
So you're the reason you're single.
That's the reason that's why he doesn't believe in marriage. Wamugamba.
Ngenda kwekwasanga John. Nange I don't believe in marriage. Nange John Segawa.
Eno kasa tuzebona. Ha! No.
Nkoye.
Oyagala kubeera single because of John.
Yes, John Segawa.
Then you're a woman. It's different.
Thank you so much.
From a man's face.
One
mama
Sikuna kuita binoga by the way because of John Segawa.
That is a nice one. Kankawanike ne wano.
There's something that John Segawa told me and I've seen it. I name it Jaina. Nagamba, so I thought about Nagamba, I want to be like him. So I think energy and long distance marriage. Chikola. You talked about long distance marriage. This is too hard, too tight. So in my mind, I'm like, do you still believe? Is that the way to go, Kale? Because of
what are the most
I think the most important thing in life, Doreen, is understanding yourself. The problem with that, it takes a long time. And sometimes it might not come for you to discover who you are, to understand yourself. Right? And so you can't say from A to Z that no, I don't like and I don't believe.
Okay.
All right? One, you must understand who you are. Are you a people person? How were you brought up? Society, and then hygiene as a person, engeri gye bakugiramu kwegamba newe packaging ebintu byonna n'obitegeera kati how conversations kunyumya kuli kutya, how do you interact abaana obaagala and you get to understand who you are. Then from that you have to choose a partner gwe mukwatagana naye, which is hard because many a time tugenda ku bbina lya Doreen maaso mimwa ku kiwato. No, I'm saying what we you want of a woman. Ebyo ne bikutwala first atugenda
appearance.
It can be character. No, it's not. Character is part of. The person, the entire package of you, the person.
Okay, you're taken up by the beauty of Bina.
Yes, the outer part. Nayenga Bina. One temugenda conversation yammwe naye bwe mutandika okunyumya. Waliwo awuliriza, waliwo atawuliriza. Mugenda kaya na mukomeyo lwadde oluyombo lw'ejjiiko oba olw'ejje eritayigidde bulungi ludde mukweyira kyayi wiiki namba nga muliko n'abaana ababadde banika engoye wabweru bamanye ono mulaba taata wammwe isi so kiba kizibu nnyo mu bulamu buno okudiscovering ekyo. That is why for me I'm into the Western ways of their kind of marriage, which is contractual, which has an open rule God of divorce, which is divorce to Chibala Bubi. It is, we have failed to agree on certain issues as man and woman. So let's separate, let's go different ways.
God does not like that.
There is
Sorry. Divorce by the way.
That topic about God. That topic about God tujja kugiddamu lulala because it is white. Bwe tugenda n'ekiyinza okumala essaawa namba nga nkunyonyola ku God and the understanding of. Now, ffe wano ewaffe we tujja e Uganda tulina ekyono ekyaffe eky'Abakatuliki. Once married, never. No man shall. Ewaffe Abakatuliki. Chameleon ne Daniela, no man shall. Y'Abakatuliki. No man shall. Forever and ever done. Akitegedde bwe wali obuzibu obwo. Okay, now John Segawa kubanga ogibadde person ekiri general. I've gone through those discoveries as a person. Okay, that's why I had those relationships. I was with Ruth and growing up, young relationship. 18-year-old girl and a 22-23-year-old boy, and you start a relationship from school. Okay, that love is childish love.
Mills and bones.
Which will never go away forever. You get. You are always there fighting. You are forever tied in that situation.
Right? Yeah.
Okay. But you cannot. What we mutuke ekiseera nogamba Ruth nviira. Otuke ekiseera nogamba John nviira. Okay, kisajja gwe I don't want to see. Naye nga ayagala okulaba.
Yes.
You get. And so you go through that. And then you go again. You say, if this one does not work, you go again in another one, which you feel is a mature relationship. You learn from it. It guides you. Nabichi. Okay, but then oli mu process y'okwezuula. Okay, kati then mugenda ne muzuula ekiseera ne kituuka n'ogamba no, we can't share spaces. Yes, we can't share spaces.
Okuwangalako.
No, kakati ekyo kuwangalako omwaka kyo kisobola okwanguyira Doreen, because unfortunately or fortunately, depending on what you think, nga totaddeemu product ya mwana. Kati naawe muzeemu omwana. There is a bond forever and ever. Jotagenda kujjawo ne mama w'abaana. The bond between me and Wanyana forever and ever will never go away because of the kids. The bond with me and Mama Mariam will never go away because of the kids.
Yes.
You get. So, for you to understand that, ngamudi relationship, no government, no, we must not share spaces for the sake of these kids. Okay? Because now it becomes the sole responsibility of that relationship. Okay? Not any other thing. The sole responsibility of my relationship ne Wanyana are the kids.
The kids, true.
The sole responsibility between John Segawa and Mariam Dagide are the kids. And now they do not have the
but I'm glad you are there in their lives.
They do not have the liberty, those two women, to say ono yewange. No. Kati bonna baabwe. You get? Yes. Yes. Bonna baabwe. Okay? Ndagire mama w'abaana, Wanyana mama w'abaana. How the process came about is not relevant today. What is relevant today are the kids we are nurturing.
Yes.
The means of how we got there. Yeah. It was it was part of part of it. Who to blame that society? To Chirekere society.
So Jenkins akweveeko.
Jenkins ye kyabyagala okupiikinga. Yeah, pickings at the latter stage of me. Okay, the latter stage
That's
of
what he
me.
brought up, yes.
Yeje yagiye peaking.
Naye
Naye nze nkujje n'enkuwa process y'ekyo to get to where I am.
Where he is now.
So now to answer Jenkins's question. How does that work? For me, it is a burden. Why? Because I cannot introduce any other woman in that relationship for now, because the kids are still on that journey of growing up. Omu akola n'omulala akola, Nagawa akyali na ebibuuzo by'abuuza. She's going to university. Okay. She's going to university.
Sacrifices parents.
She's going to university. When she goes to university, all right, and she's out of our home, all right, then now you can see it. No mugamba nti Shanice, because of this and this, I have a partner. And that partner, Morina, because of this and this. That partner today must have a reason why.
Why she's
with me. Because you are going to fight with the kids, you are going to fight with the mamas who are there.
Okay.
All right? Let me give you an example. If we are going for Doreen, tugenda ku beach tomorrow ku Sunday. Okay? Nenkubira Sean. Okay? Nenkubira Shanice. Nyatugenda nawe. Okay? They are going to ask me, who is she? Okay? And I have to introduce you to them.
As Auntie Doreen.
Yes, because you are going to be part of their lives. Why? Yeah. They are going to knock to
Why don't you tell them
Daddy's door.
Your new mommy.
All right? When they are sick or they need something, okay, and I'm angry, they'll call Doreen. Okay, D. You must create that relationship. But if you do not create it, Doreen ogomutadde mu kizibu. Nti buli w'onooleeta wano abaana okujja ajja kutunula wansi afiiringa insecure, afiiringa small. Ayina okubeera part of it. And it is a big process. Kati ate olina n'okgenda n'ointroducinga Doreen n'okubira Wanyana gyali mu America nti mami gwe nnyina omubeezi wano. Era bw'onoowulira nga Doreen atutte bagenze ku ddina ne Nagawa tokuba mmeeza mwana wange ebintu you get. So it must be a mature process. Tokuba kajji ng'olina abaana. Nakugambye wali the sole purpose of us today is nurturing. Okay? When they are done and dusted, they are out. True. Because now I could show this is I don't care about it.
Yeah, true.
When he wants to talk to me, he will. Trevor Jazungira, my apartment is I do not know. But for the daughter, we still have time. So in the next 3-4 years.
Naye abantu bagamba no baba waliwo abaana bino bibeera byammwe because they will still go. Mutolina kutunuulira by'abaana. That's what most people are saying.
No. Nze nakujje story yange ne gye nakujje nakugambye nti ensi eno abantu be tulaba bali determined oba enneeyisa yaabwe newa gye yakulira ne family. Nze family y'ewaffe ebuuza ebibuuzo bingi. Mariam Ndagire ewaffe ye Mariam Ndagire. Father Tamale kyomuyita Mariam. Awulira kimukaluubiriza. Era yagambanga Miria. Bwe kiba kiganye Miria ng'akozesa Mariam. Okay? That's how we are brought up. You are not there for you. You belong to a certain family. When I come to Kampala, nina okwenconductinga nga mutabani wa Damiano Sekizive Mubende. Because buli kyonna kyenkola bajja gamba yi mutawani wa Damiano n'akola ekyo abadde Damiano tebakikola abo Damiano
so each time we move out to be that we are representative of our families
in Africa. That's the society. Or society culture bwebera omwana wa kyalo bina ne kusanga ku kyalo omwana atambula ali ekikajjo omuwala tokirizibwa oyina omuyimiriza n'omugamba tukeeka ekikajjo jja kirya kikyo omuwala taliira mu gundi tagenda ng'abuukabuuka omuwala epena. You know, society has to be part of us because we belong.
So ekitegeeza ekyabino ekyokugaba mbuno okuba mugambe for her she's different okubeera single.
Birala nange ndi ku bilat.
Never they are long distance. You said something can help someone out there.
Now for
I want to be alone forever. You said
now kanyongereko n'ekirala kye nagamba Doreen. Nze bwe mpakati we are going to a relationship.
Yeah.
I want my space.
Yeah, you talked about that actually.
If we have enough money, we live in a gated
house.
Two house. Go in a nyumba yo nangene. If we have funa bulungi, at least we have 2 bedrooms. You have your bedroom, I have my bedroom.
No, John, what is that?
You have your office, I have my office. For
example, somewhere whatever Rubaga. Once a week. Monday to Saturday.
I just walk in because
that is being selfish.
Of course, relationship. I have to be selfish.
You have to be selfish, deliberate.
Yes. Leka sisobola kukkiriza nga we are in a relationship. Gwogenda obeera entinda. Nze nga ndi Rubaga. Deka obadde ki? Bwe nva mu bbaala wali ugambye ngenze Kabalaza. Ne nvayo ne walagi wange nga ntuuse ku mutwe. Nga nfunye ejjembe lyange. Nga nguno ng'oli ntinda.
So it has to be separate bedrooms.
Yes. Nkonkona bukonkonyi wange. You protect me, I protect you. Kubanga bwono etinda nze nefuna obuzibu. Ngetembere.
Aye kadanga bashibera obikugoloya mujingira buyingiza.
Ngonkonkona. Waliwo obuntu obusooka naawe message obwo. Noka bina tontandika nkyalina script yange tempandiika. Tunaalya bisikuputi byo naawe buli kaseera. Nange ndowooza n'otandika obujja obuntu. Bw'oyingira mu kitchen weweesuuze ebintu. Noka naye naawe aleekaanya. Onzija mu office.
Nengoye nenkyusaamu.
Oteekeddwa okuyiiya. In a relationship wadde tayagala oli gwe n'ovuunyuula n'omuyitako nga yeesudde atayagala. Ajja kwesanga ng'atuuse.
Matters a lot.
Space, yes, within the confinement of a relationship. Yes. Because you have to protect you and you protect me.
But not so when do we get to stay together in the same bedroom?
When we are going to make love.
And then I sleep over.
Yes. Either your side or my side. Yes. How you arrange your bedroom.
Now what are we teaching?
Nechange nchirongoosa bulala. Nechange nchirongoosa bulala. There is a way I want my bedroom to look and there is a way a woman wants her bedroom.
Yes.
So when I go to your bedroom, it's new. When you come to my bedroom, it is new.
So when children are involved?
Like children, what do you mean by they're involved? When your children are involved? Children dating.
Space jakugamba wano waba sent 2 bedrooms bina bedroom.
Yes.
Okay. Akwawe mbanfuluuto bande bakantya.
Gwomanye ebizibu. Yes. So zikunteeka mu gundi gwo mu mumwa gwange. Bana byetoolo oyinza okwesanga nga yenyudde.
Gamba n'akuleka kwa heddo ayagala bino ebyokuteeka n'omukono.
N'akutiramu omutwe n'agubikirayo.
Omukono bakukoye gwe gulekeeyo gusanyala n'embeera nga
Oh.
Kale
So
kusibule.
I'm a single for life.
No, you can't. You can't.
Let me tell
You must find a soulmate.
I also think about it.
You must find a soulmate. You must find a soulmate. And that soulmate is going to do good to you.
No, but
so in a mean like with time.
No, do you know how old I am?
I'm looking for soulmate.
You're 50. What you're getting?
I'm looking.
Yes,
I'm looking for soulmate.
So it doesn't stop
so
you
it's
from
too
loving.
late.
It's not late. I'm telling you. You are still.
You're also looking for a soulmate.
Yes.
I'm here, John.
Mareka ono. Amano wali naye ngenda mujjamu ebya firimu. Ayagala love ya firimu. Eya television.
Otegedde otya?
Whether yogera mujja kunagamba naize njakala kwa. Kutokola boti.
Ne lunch. Ola katika bonywa bino. Kubeera ino okukubira ekifaananyi.
Byenkugobya akajanja. Era nkikuteera ne
gamba oli
kwegayiridde zijjaako akajanja. Nkuyigiriza bwenti the hard way ogenda obivaako n'okaaba amaziga paka wenkuna kyalinga n'otegeera ebimeseji byo n'obirekerawo bimpeereza.
We do it. I communicate to you once a week or twice a week.
When I communicate.
John, no.
Era n'oŋŋamba, hey John, are you good? Bwe sikuddamu tontawanya na meseji. Bwe nkugamba nti oh hello my love nga umudu tonyigira mu mbeera zange. Bye bituufu. Ojja kufa omutima bugweri.
Kale omusomi obusomi n'otegeera.
Mulaba byeyogera era nze nga sibiri era nkwata ku mukono.
Ayagala omusitulira ensawo.
Mpozi nga tuli mu bantu nga byakweraga. Kubanga bw'oba ofuluma nina okulaba oyambadde otya onywe bulungi nengamba Eddy ddayo okyuse kano because we are public figures tugenda byakweraga nawe obimanyi. Kati bantu soba n'ekyebbe kyange nga nkikwata. Of course I have to do it.
N'omusitulira ensawo n'omugulira
ebyo in public. Ojja wane waka ndeetako kajanja.
Bye. Ngenze.
The views expressed on Kasuku Live do not reflect those of the hosts, producers, or management. They are solely of individuals providing them and do not represent or reflect the official policy or position of this YouTube channel.
Abakyala wereso omuyongo enyembuto katonda yekyembuto genda wegiwaminge yabaweereza buno bukeeke obutini singa baaba omutwale bamusonseka mu kamwa bwonna n'abufulumiza mu nnyindo sakibwa alina guno omuggo gwa musa wayitista premium detergent waliwo wanagambye embunda y'akasajja kasendi kalimba bannange esendi bannange